Welcome to Technoland Expert. This video made for advertisement purpose used Shopify framework and 1000 CTR is possible at a time. Using product templates to scale up sales provides businesses with a powerful and repeatable framework for driving consistent, high-impact marketing and sales efforts without reinventing the wheel for every campaign. Templates allow teams to create visually uniform, on-brand materials quickly, whether for social media, product pages, email campaigns, or in-store displays, so every customer touchpoint reinforces the same professional identity and builds trust, which directly influences purchase decisions. This consistency strengthens brand recognition, making it easier for customers to recall and choose your products over competitors, while also reducing costly design errors that can weaken credibility. By offering a pre-approved structure for layouts, fonts, colors, and messaging, templates enable marketers to swap in new product images, features, offers, or seasonal promotions rapidly, accelerating the go-to-market process and capturing demand while it's still hot. This speed is crucial in competitive industries, where being first to launch can translate into higher sales and market share. Templates also streamline collaboration between marketing, design, and sales teams, reducing revision cycles and miscommunication, which allows campaigns to roll out faster and at larger scales. For companies selling across multiple regions or online platforms, templates simplify localization by keeping the core design consistent while easily adapting text or imagery for different markets, ensuring global customers experience the same brand identity. They also make it easy to test variations, such as headlines, call-to-action buttons, or imagery, without changing the overall structure, enabling data-driven optimization of campaigns to maximize conversions and revenue. This agility, combined with reduced design costs and production time, frees up resources to invest in other sales-driving initiatives like influencer partnerships or targeted ads. Over time, using templates builds a stronger, more recognizable brand presence across channels, which enhances customer trust and loyalty, key drivers of repeat purchases and long-term sales growth. In essence, product templates act as a growth engine. They improve efficiency, scale marketing output, minimize errors, speed up launches, support consistent brand storytelling, and make it easier to respond to market trends, all of which directly contribute to increasing sales volume and sustaining revenue growth in a cost-effective way. Thanks for watching. Contact us for this types of website.